Hello students, today we will learn how to add hyperlink to your Excel sheet. To insert any hyperlink to your sheet, you just click the hyperlink button on the insert tab. It is insert tab, and here is the links group. In this, you just click on link. When you click it, you're having the option to insert link. Now, to insert a link, a dialog box, insert hyperlink, is displayed. First, it is asking you to link your sheet to existing file or web page. That's why it is going to show you the folders of your main computer's documents or anywhere in your computer. The location you can select from here, this drop down. Other, it is saying you that place in this document. It is showing off all the sheets of your workbook that you're going to company this, like you're having the telcoma sheet 3, sheet 2, sheet 1. These all are the sheets of this current workbook. The other one is you want to create new document, then you can display the name of the document here. It will be the full path of that document. If you want to change this path, you can click on this. Now there are two options: edit the new document later or edit the new document now. You press OK and the new document and the link location will be created. Email address. The next option is email address. It is going to add an email address to your worksheet. You're going to press any email address here, subject, and you can also use the list of recently used email addresses here. So these are the 4 types of your hyperlinks that you can insert to your Excel sheet. The existing file or web page, the other option is browsed pages. In this, you are having the recently opened or recently browsed pages. You can have links for them to your Excel sheet. The other one is recent files, the files which you have opened recently. They all can be attached as hyperlinks to your worksheet. Look, I pressed OK and selected the one. Then the hyperlink for our open picture is created here. When you're going to click it, yes, your image is open. This was address of your image placed in your computer. So this is how you create web pages, web links from your web pages, as well as you can have the links to your local folders, local files, or files on the web. Thank you.